Hello, students. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Very good morning. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, even now, actually, I can see around 130 students total participants were there, including the TAs. So it's just 50%. Anyway, so in a few minutes, I will upload the question paper in the Teams in the under the class materials files under class materials. So you can download and you can start answer the question paper and all with the pen and paper, as I already mentioned. So your exam will be closed by 12 o'clock, and then uh, properly arrange in a sequence, right? And then take a scan copy of all of them together in a one PDF file, and then send it to your group TA. Under your group, there are two TAs will be there. One will take care about OS and other will be the architecture. So whoever is the TA meant for your architecture of your group. So for him, you can send an email with attachment. And that TA also will look for your emails and all, so that he will, like after 12 o'clock, he will tick it, and then those whoever is not yet submitted, he will contact, and then see that everything will be go smoothly and it will be submitted within time, right? So maximum 10 minutes. So by 12:10, you need to, your mail has to be received to the TA and all, right? So it means at 12 o'clock, we have to close it and then scan it and then send to them. And yeah, and then the other instructions, they are there in the question paper itself. And one more thing is that actually your the file name, whatever you are sending to the TA, so the file name should be your registration number, your register number, or your roll number. So that way the TAs will be easier for them to find out actually whoever is not submitted and all, at least submitted, not submitted. So that way they will figure it out, and those who are not submitted, they will contact back. So please that keep it in mind. The file name should be your roll number, right? Okay. So let me upload your question paper, right? Yeah, I think yeah, now it has been uploaded. So yeah, please check that actually in the under the files, class materials. In the class materials, the file that was uploaded was, you can able to see there is some like a special mark will be there on top of that one. That is CAOS 2022 Spring 22 February 2022 version 2 v2.pdf. So that was the question paper. So please go through that. So please first download to your local machine and then start writing. Start answer the questions and all. And you can see that there are 9 questions. Let me anyway share it also now. Yeah. Yeah, this was the question paper. A question paper consists of 4 pages. And the total number of marks equals to 100. And you have to answer all the questions. And all parts of the question to be answered together at a stretch. A specific question you have A, B, C, D or whatever. And one more important thing is that while solving the problems or whatever, the intermediate steps are important and you need to mention all the intermediate steps. Don't just if you put the answer and all, then you don't get. So you have to mark you have to place the all intermediate steps that are relevant for the particular problem and all. So please do that. So you have total 9 questions. And the first page has 2 questions. And the second page has 4 questions, and third page has 2 questions, and the last page has 1 more question. So total 100 marks. And so please try to solve it. Don't worry about the time and all. So we have only 2 hours time. So whatever you can do it, you please do and submit. That's all. Don't worry that you need to that you are unable to answer all the questions and all. So please go ahead and then start answer the questions and all. Okay. But all of you should be there in the teams throughout. Okay, right now I can see that total 192. It means still about 60 students were not yet joined the meeting, not yet joined the teams. So have you received? Can you able to see the question paper? No, have you downloaded? Hello? Hello?
Sir, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good, thank you. Yeah, please go ahead and then solve it. Don't worry, as I told you, from beginning onwards. So don't worry about your absolute sense, right? So it's a relative one. So therefore, don't worry. So please answer and do it in a fair way so that all of you will be benefited. Yeah, please go ahead and do it. And be on the line, be on teams. Don't be away from the teams and all. Because for me, I can able to hear in the attendance, I can clearly track it like when you joined, when you left and all. So therefore, no, what I'm saying is that please be on the teams and then you write it on the paper with pen and paper and all. Even I'm not insisting the camera on also, because I understand that because so many number of students are more. So again, it will be a problem. Even for me also, I cannot track also. It's not a problem, but I want that all of you should be there in teams. Please be in teams and then start writing. Start your answers. And as I already told, maybe some of you might join now. So while submitting your answer script, the answer script file name should be your roll number. Like for example, 19EC, something like that, whatever your complete roll number and all. And on the answer script, write your name and roll number. Write your name and roll number. Yeah, it's about 9:59. Yeah, anyway, you can start, no problem. So all of you please mute and then start writing the exam. Yeah, it's now 10 o'clock. Yeah, please go ahead. Yeah, still see that exam started. Still, there are about 40 students who are not present.
Submit. So where do we have to submit?
Yeah, please mute all of you.
Sir, where do we have to submit?
No, you have to. No, Ash, are you attending the classes at all or not? I told you, I sent an emails. You have to send to your TA, right? Your group TA, and all the group TA details are already mailed to you. Not once actually. There are 3 times I have mailed. So please, you just find yourself which group you are belongs to, and in that group, whoever is the TA for CA, that computer architecture, for that TA's mail ID you have to submit. Okay. Hello, Ash, got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please. Okay, I'm stop recording now.